Siguro useful naman ito. Hindi naman sila siguro magtitinda na ganito kung hindi naman talaga magagamit. This was a mini iron. Yeah, here you go. Mini iron plancha para sa aking uniform. Meron naman talaga ako before, kaso nag-overheat siya kasi ginamit ko siya sa extension. Parang ganun. Hindi ata nag-match yung ano niya, so that's why hindi ko na rin siya ginamit. Although nag-ano lang yung wire niya. Kasi syempre mahirap na. Oh my God. It looks like a toy. I don't think it was so small. A minimalist plancha. Look at this, guys. I don't think na umiinit siya. Pero siguro naman kasi metal naman yung ilalim niya. Look, guys. How cute this is. It was a minimalist iron. So, I think magamit naman siya. So, next time, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin. Here. So, sana magamit ko siya sa uniform ko talaga. Siguro mapapagod ako nito kahadhad. I mean, pa-plancha kasi sobrang liit niya. Hindi niya agad ma-apply yan lahat ng buong uniform na ganito kaliit. It was worth it for worth 100 plus something like that. It was almost 200 pa. Yeah. Nakakalimutan ko naman. This was the first one. Sabihin nyo guys, sayang no. Useful to ha. Magagamit ko dito kasi syempre nag-work ako yung uniform ko is barong. So, magagamit ko talaga siya araw-araw talaga naman. So, yun. The second one is medyo disappointed agad ako sa una. But I think naman magagamit naman natin siya. Hindi naman siya talaga totally sayang. So, let's try this one. Another one.